Welcome to bounded and unbounded sequences. So quick definition, sequence A sub n is said to be bounded if there exists numbers lowercase m and uppercase m such that lowercase m is less than a sub n is less than m for all n in the natural numbers. Otherwise, we say the sequence is unbounded. Another quick definition, a sequence A sub n is bounded above if there exists capital N, capital M, such that A sub n is less than capital M for all n in the natural numbers. And then similarly, the sequence is bounded below the sequence A sub n is bounded below if there exists lowercase m such that A sub n is greater than lowercase m for all n in the natural numbers. So essentially, if we were to plot the points n, A sub n, bounded above, all the points would fall below a certain horizontal line. Bounded below, all the points would fall above a certain horizontal line, and bounded there, it's trapped between two lines. So our job is to determine the bounds of the following sequences. So A sub n equals 1 over n squared. Note, 1 over n squared is always positive. And 1 over n squared is less than or equal to 1. So we have our bounds. We would have 0 is less than A sub n, and then you could do less than or equal to 1, or you could do less than a larger number. For B sub n equaling n squared, again, note that n squared is always greater than 0, right? In fact, it's greater than or equal to 1. But n squared goes off to infinity. And so this is bounded below, but not bounded. So quick theorem. If a sequence converges, if a sequence A sub n converges, then it must be bounded. If it converges, it can't head off to infinity. It can't head off to negative infinity. It has to zero in on a point. So it somewhere in there, it can't ever get too large or too small. To head off to infinity, it would have to go to infinity as n goes to infinity. So this is just some useful tools to have. In the next video, we will learn some additional features that can help us determine if a sequence converges when we pair it with some information on boundedness.